Oh. All right, we're back. Let's get it. It's been a bloody while, hasn't it? I feel like that's loud. I might turn this down just a smidge. Is that a bit better? I think that's a little bit better. I think that's a bit better. What do we want? Like that? Yeah, I think like that. Yeah. Let's go. What do I gotta do? I gotta change something up actually. This, I might make a smidge bigger. There. I think that's better. Yeah, I think that's a bit better. All right. Let's go. Johnny Pips, 28. Let's do it. Let's get some gold trading, gold analysis. We're about an hour. I feel like that's too loud. I'll turn that down. About there. That feels a bit better. Yeah, we're about, is it over an hour, I think? Hour 15 until New York opens. Is that right? New York, yep. And 1 hour and 15. Excuse me. How's everything looking? We looking good? Yeah, I think everything's alright. Looks alright. Looks okay enough in the old officino. In the old offeroony. Hey? How's that? That's good? That'll do. I think that's good. Yeah. Alright. Let's do a bit of top-down analysis. It's been a while. Let's go right the way to the top. Let's go to the monthly. Let's go to the monthly. Alright, monthly. It's been a big month. It has been a big month so far. Obviously the election played a big part in gold and in the DXY for the monthly, with a big push. What's that? October and November, very much around the election. And then let's get back to gold. Very much around the election. That gold had a strong decline straight after big Donaldo got elected. Yeah, so that was these 2 weeks. It was a huge drop. Look at that. What's 50 points and then 122 in a week is crazy. In a week, it's 1,000 pips. That is nuts. Like, I don't think we've had something that big. Let's see. About there to there, right? Are there any that are that big? What's that? No. There's not been any that's that big. Like, I don't think we've had anything that's that big. That one's decent. Yeah, how big was that? 1,000. Yeah, fair enough. One that was decent. But anyway, that was the monthly. The monthlies just were on a steady decline, just looking for some support somewhere. Weekly, we may have found this support. This push up seems to be from the news that the US is supporting Ukraine and sending them more military troops or something like that. Something to do with that. It was a big move. So that's obviously today's daily, which just broke past these two previous daily highs and sort of really affirmed this daily support, right? Because that's a strong push up. So if we go to that on the daily, and then on the the next level of resistance is all the way up here, which is crazy to think about there. And that was just a pullback straight after the election. But that's the daily. In the 4 hour, we can go straight down to the lower level. Now, on the lower level, we've got a support being formed, or support is formed here at this point. We have a support formed here at this level. And then where's our next 4 hours? There's a 4 hour resistance being formed here, but that's our next one up, I guess. We've got that level. Look, and it looks like it's a very important level because it bounced off and then had to break through. Tried and couldn't, and then melted down. So we go over to the 1 hour. Now on the 1 hour, you can refine this to about there. That's on the 1 hour, and then here I can put one more just here because that's now a 1 hour level. On the 1 hour, it's formed a resistance and it's trying to respect it. Now I'd say it would respect it if this 1 hour closes bearish or if this 1 hour breaks the low. I'd be okay with saying that this resistance is formed and respected. Let's go down to the 30 minute. Now the 30 minute, look, it's broke down and then it's trying to come back up, and it looks like it's trying to come back up. These little attempts to come back up feel like it's gonna fill this range, take out this liquidity, and then choose a direction it's gonna go. Now it's either this liquidity down here that was formed since London, the London low, and the other London high, which is also the Asian high. Yeah, just the Asian high. So yeah, that's where I think we could go, is that if this tries and tries and it can't, it needs a little bit more liquidity to actually push, because this was big news push up, right? The daily opened, where is it? The daily opened about here, I think, Saturday, there. Daily opened right there, and it just shot up instantly and just flew. Yeah. So that's the 30 minute. So as we're looking at on the 30, we have this level. Let's put this over here. This is a nice little support being formed. We've got one more over here. Over there. There. These are sort of the levels that we're looking at. This is a nice strong level. It's come up. It's found this point, this support, gone up, found this little support. Now it's trying to break this resistance. It seems like a strong level because come up here, melted down, and it's stepping up, and it's forming a little level here, between here and here, a little mini range to try and either break up or break down. Now what's the size we've got on the downside? 50 pips, pretty damn good. So what do I look at? What do I see here? What do I see here is potential buys above. I see potential buys above here. And then there, do I see potential sells? Yeah, I think I see potential sells below. Text, let's go bottom right. Cool. So that's, I think, my analysis for gold so far. That's what I'm seeing. That's sort of where the levels are at. This is with an hour to go until New York. So we're sort of in this little pre-NY time. Let's sort of see how the market wants to react. The challenge that I'm doing so far, what have we got? We're in, this is with Funded Trading Plus. So with Funded Trading Plus, with Funded X and funding traders, with funding traders. So with those three, I'm in a phase 2. So I've just got one more phase to pass, and then we're good and we're rolling. But right now we're obviously in a little bit of drawdown, and they're all sort of connected to the one. So this is pretty much the one, and then if this passes, then all three pass, or rather, when this passes, all three will pass, and then we're good. And then this will be, you know, the steady. This is the start. This is the journey. This is the run. This is the run, boys. This is the run to this is the run to not needing to work more, because I've got my own business on the side, like my own personal business, which is where I'm streaming from, where this office is right now. But yeah, right now we're just sort of waiting. It's got the little mini range that it's just sitting at, and we just sort of see what happens. Let's see what it looks like on the 5 minute. So it's, look, here and here. You've got what? Demand, supply, range, a high, a low. Look at that. Just printing sideways. It's barcoding. It's just barcoding, you know? Bingo. There we go. On-screen magic keys. All right. There. Sweet. And now we play the waiting game. I gotta pay my taxes. Let's have a little look-see at the old taxaroonie. What's that? 12 grand. Bloody hell. 12 grand tax, eh? Let's have a look. Yada, yada, yada. GST on sales. GST on purchases. PAYG tax withheld. Okay. It's PAYG tax. Okay. So then is that... looks like it might be coming back up. Because, like, if you look at it on the 30, it's very much in an indecision sort of state. It doesn't know whether it wants to go up or go down. Excuse my loud notifications. Oh, another one. Oh, hello. Hello. What do we got here? What do we have here? Hey? Now, where was that trade I took earlier? This one. Right there. This stress would have killed me. Would have absolutely killed me. I'm very happy that I'm not in that. Anyway, bring back trading view up on the 30-minute. Well, I mean, looks like it's an hourly closure. And a 2-hourly closure, I believe. Yep. Let's have a look at the 4-hour. That is the 4-hour. Yeah, okay. Cool. Let's see. Let's see. What's the next level up? Is that? Oh, it's there. I was about to say. I was like, God damn. God damn. That feels too loud. I think that's a bit better. That feels better. That's much better. Go away for now. Bring this back up. Whooshka. Okay. Hourly close. How's the hourly closing? It's closing... I mean, doji-ish. Doji slightly bullish on the hourly. Still below resistance. Excuse me. I mean, it broke the low. This current 30 broke the low and the high of the 30. Still feels like I don't know. Like it's okay. As we look at it, okay. So let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at this. So you've got it's going up. It's tried to come down. It couldn't. It tried to go up, come back down, come back down. It got a big push up. Faked it down, come back up. It tried again to go down. Like it's just trying. It looks like it's trying down, but also there's maybe momentum on the upside. But again, I'm just not that confident with it. I just don't feel that confident with it. If I was to do anything, I'd paper trade this. I'd look at it and just go, all right, let's. But I'm not this though. Not this right now. That's not enough. I need it. I needed to close above. I needed to close above. And it looks like it's not. Is this enough liquidity to have a big push up? I don't think so. Without news, without any sort of a volatile environment, something to happen to give it a big push up an hour before New York session opens, 2 hours and a half before NYSE, you know? Let's have a look. When is NYSE? I'm pretty sure that's right. See, like, it's just not enough. Look at that closure. That's just not enough. Bro, 2:30 minutes. Doji. It hasn't done a thing, man. Look at that. 1 hour closure, Doji. Imagine being in a trade this whole time. Down, up, down, up. You just don't know which way it's going to go. We were in what, about here? And then I was like, nah, I'm getting out at break even. Like, that's just too much mental stress. Too much. Not for me. Not for me. I mean, if there was someone out there that could, if you're a range trader, what would be the range that you trade this? How would you trade this range? Let's have a look. So, if you were doing the 15, excuse my yawning, you'd need, so you got a bearish closure there, and then you got a bullish closure here. So you'd go, that's there and there. So then you'd wait for, you'd what, buy here, I guess? You wouldn't sell here because that's not close enough. I don't know how I'd range, even range trading. I don't know how I'd range trade that. It's just not there, bro. Just not there for me. Thank you. Can you make the water a nice blue color? Cool. So now we wait. Now we wait. Now we wait. This is what we're paid for. I've still got a lot to get back. I'll take it back. I'm still going to get a lot back. A lot's going to come through. And then, yeah, I don't know. I just like, I just got to focus on the system. And right now, the system needs me to wait. At least that's what I think. That's what I think. What else can we do? Let's have a look at something else. GJ. What's GJ doing? GJ. Trying to find support. But also it's on a down, I mean, yeah, it's on a downtrend maybe. So I'd be looking for sells. But even then, look at that. That's just ugly. That's ugly. Nas. Man, I don't know how to read that. I don't know how to read it. I'm a simpleton. It's not for me. Gold, I've watched for ages. Still haven't mastered. I haven't even bloody passed primary school with this. But it's alright. Ooh, I've got to pay myself. I got to pay myself. Gotta pay myself. Pay myself. You. There. That. Paste. Still nothing. Still nothing. Payroll. Pay employees. That's me. Week ending 17th. That's him. Okay. Which means Boom, boom, boom. See, what's the trade you take here? There is no trade. What, you take the flip? The flip on the hourly? No way. No way. Buy into resistance? Brother. This is stupid. This is a stupid one, this one. This is not for me. We don't like it. We don't like this one. This one is not nice. I foresee it to you. This is, how you say? This is not good. Okay. That's gone through. That's great. Which means I don't need to... I just gotta take the other one out. Okay. Where are you? Here. To the personal. Boom, boom. Pay now. Done. And then I transfer to this one, and that is that's just tax. Yeah, may as well make them both. What do we do? $1011. Remember that. What was it? 1011. Okay, cool. That's all sorted. You there. Perfect. Paid myself. Well done, everyone. Well done. Cool. All right. We just wait. Wait. We wait. What are you going to do, Gold? What are you going to do? It's going to make us wait for ages? Is that it? Is that it? Because I feel like that's it. It's all you're going to do, isn't it? It's all you're going to do, isn't it? I know it. I know it. So then, what, you buy here? Is that it? Is that what you do? Is that the play? No, there you go. I said buy. Looks like it's coming up. Cool. What was that? Like, just nothing. No movement. No nada. Big old bag of nothing. Big old bag of nothing. Man, there was someone I saw recently. It's always pretty cool seeing celebrities. You know? Was that his name? Was it by email that we talked? Let's have a look. That's not him. Maybe it was on Instagram. I distinctly remember talking to him. Oh, that's nice. Here. What? Maybe it's here. Maybe it's not. Okay. What was his name? Whoa, hello. It's a 15-minute. No. There he is. What do we got here? Like we say, it is potential sells below. It's potential. So, let's see. Are we going to get a 50-minute closure? Or is it just going to be another week? So, even if we look at it on the 5-minute, look at that. Ah, look at that. It just turned on us. Maybe not. Let's see. So in terms of a 5-minute closure, we need it below there. So if we get the closure below this, I'd be happy for it. But look, it looks like it's not gonna. Oh shit. Okay. But if it closes below that, at this point, if it closes below there, then it's gonna be a holy moly. It's a nice strong reaction that, isn't it? What's that, the 1 minute? It's a 16 pip 1 minute. It's pretty bloody good. Let's have a look at you. 15 minute. There you go. 5 minute. There's supply and demand. If you're supply and demand, that's supply respected. Strong reaction from supply, meaning you take a buy above. Stop loss below there. 1-to-1 and leave a runner. 1-to-1 right there. And that's 23 pips. Because you got that. And if it breaks the high, then it breaks the high. Because it's the flip of the 15 as well. Okay. This is a paper trade. I am not taking this, but it is a paper trade. It is a paper trade. That is just a paper trade. Let's see what happens. Do we take it? No. We don't. Because the 5 minute on the back end of the 15 is not quite enough for me. But this is a paper trade. Let's see what happens. Hmm. Still holding the level. That's why we paper trade, boys. That's why we paper trade. That's why we trade on paper. Because it's wrong. Maybe. Oh, we have a 30-minute closure coming up, actually. Is this going to be potential sells? Do we have sells? Do we have sells? What's the 5-minute closure? Is that bad boy? Yo. There. Let's have a look at X, the everything app. Well, here we go. We're getting a little something, something. Let's have a look. See, let's go. Come on. If I get a closure even below that, I'll be pretty happy. I'll be pretty happy. I'll be pretty happy. All right, let's have a look then. Let's go for what, 15? Yeah, let's see 15. How much is that? Open calc. You down here. You up there. Put you at 1%. Is about 7. Up here is what, 5. Okay. Open calc. Let's make it. I'll be happy with 5 lots, I think. That'd be it. 5 lots. I'd be happy with 5 lots. 5 lots. 5 lots. 5 lots, mate. I'll be pretty happy with 5 lots. That. If we close, I need it to sort of push to about here. Come back up with a bit of a bottom wick. Make a wick. Come back up. Retest maybe that level. Yeah, come up, make a top wick, and then you get the flip. That's what we're looking for right now. I need this to sort of, looks like it's not, who knows. I need it to sort of push down to sort of around this area, around this little area, around there. Come down here, close back above into here, in between this and this, up, down, and then we take it on the down. Let's see. It's not looking good, Brave. It's not looking good. Let's go. It's a strong candle. Seems to be holding. Do we take it? Pre-NY. Not really. If it makes a nice wick and then flips. Yeah, no. I don't know, man. Just not that confident. Yeah, I don't know. It's just not doing it for me. See? It's just not doing it for me. I don't know why. It's just not doing it for me. No, I can't see it. I can't see it. I don't think it's there for me. It's just not there. Yeah. Like it's just not moving enough. And I say that. It's getting a bit jumpy. But 33 pips ain't bad. 34 pips on a 30-minute candle is pretty damn good. Hey. Boom. Yeah, see, these candles don't do much just before, it looks like. I think it'll be the next few candles is where you'll get the move, where something will happen. But for now, nothing from me, nothing from us. Unfortunately, we live to see another day. We live to trade another day, and that's really all you got to do. Live to trade another day. Make sure you can trade tomorrow. That's it. That's the goal. Make sure you can trade today's money tomorrow. And that's it. All right.